I am going to do the sensory system examination. I am introduce myself. I am Dr. Kalpadesan Hariharan. May I know your name and age, please?
I am Sabajani. I am 22.
Okay, I am going to do the sensory system examination. Is that okay for you?
Okay.
Do you have any past history of any surgery or any health issues? Okay. These are the apparatus circuit: knee hammer, cotton pin, and cotton pin, and tuning fork. Okay. Can you please remove your shirt?
Okay.
I am going to do the pain sensation. I take the cotton pin. I place on your body. If you feel pain, say yes. It's sharp or dull.
Sub. Dull. Dull. Sub.
Okay, it's normal. Next, I am going to do the light touch by using cotton. Say if you feel anything. Yes.
Okay. Yes. 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 Yes.
Okay, it's normal. Next, I am going to do the vibration sense. I strike tuning fork and place on your body. When you feel the vibration, say yes.
Yes. Yes. Yes. Yes. Yes. Yes. Yes. Yes.
Okay, it's normal. Next, I am going to do the joint position sense. Can you close your eyes? And say the movement of your positions.
Up, down, right, left, right, left, up, down, up, right, down, left, left, right, up, down, up, right, down, left, right, right, left, down, up.
Okay, it's normal. Next, I am going to do the stereogenesis. Can you please show your both hands and close your eyes? Okay, which coin is bigger and which coin is smaller?
Left one is bigger and the right one is smaller.
Okay. Next, I am going to do the number identification. I can draw number on your palm. You say correct the number.
9.
Okay, it's normal. Next, I am going to do the 2-point discrimination. I take the pin and I place this pin whether you say single side or both side.
கண்ணாமூட சொல்லவே இல்லை கையில் மட்டும் தான் பண்ணணும் இங்கெல்லாம் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கேன் இந்த கையில்
I am going to do the 2-point discrimination. I am going to use the pin. I place pin at your hand where you say it is single side or double side. Can you close your eyes?
single both single both.
Okay, it's normal. Next, I am going to do the point localization. Can you close your eyes? I place my hand at your body. You say where I place my hand.
Left thigh, left shoulder, left foot, right thigh, right shoulder.
Okay, it's normal. Next, I'm going to do the distinction. Whether I'm using single hand or double hand, you say your feelings.
Single, both, both.
Okay, it's normal. Next, I'm going to do the muscle stretch reflex. First, I'm going to do the bicep reflex. Can you show your biceps? I can feel the biceps contract. Next, I'm going to do the tricep reflex. I can feel the tricep contraction. It's normal. I'm going to do the brachioradialis reflex. I strike above the 2 inch of your wrist. Okay, it's normal. Next, I am going to do the patellar reflex of your both knee. It's normal. Then I am going to do the angle reflex. I strike at the Achilles tendon. It is also normal. Next, I am going to do the superficial stimulation reflex. First, I do the abdominal reflex. I can see the contraction of the abdominal muscles. Next, I am going to do the plantar response. I can see the positive Babinski response. Next, I am going to do the neck mobility. Do you have any past history of your pain and surgery in your neck? Okay, now I can move your neck toward the chest. Okay. There is no positive Babinski sign. And the sensory system examination is done. Do you need any clarification? Thanks for your cooperation.